This luggage rack from Westwind Moto is so good that I think you should consider installing it no matter what soft luggage you are using, and I'll tell you why. I've been testing it both on and off-road, and I have to say, it looks great, practical, and a solid upgrade for the 450MT. Even without the luggage mounted, it looks great and clean up the rear of the bike nicely. I'll cover the price and how it compares to other options at the end, but first, let's walk through the installation. Out of box, I can see the build and finish is excellent. The rack is made from a 3mm aluminium with a stainless steel hardware. Also, small details like a smooth weld, rounded edges, and reinforced points are very nice. I've loaded it up and hit some rough trails since I installed it, dropped the bike and grabbed the rack to pick it up. And still there's no bend, no squeak. It feels rugged and reliable. Installation is quite straightforward. First, I remove the stock luggage rack. The entire stock setup is a single piece. I took off the plastic rear cover with 4 bolts and removed the grab rail bolt. The new rack used the rear passenger full pack mounts. After remove both bolts, I aligned the side bracket, loosely installed a bolt to hold them in place. I repeated the same process on the other side. This rack also included a soft textile grab handle that is both discreet and comfortable to use. The rear rack attached with 4 bolts, 2 directly into the back frame and 2 that link the side plates. Once everything is in position, I tighten all the bolts securely. Overall, the mounting points all lined up perfectly, and it only took me about 20 minutes from start to finish. This luggage rack is quite versatile. There are multiple attach points, a lot of straps, soft bags, and even more accessories. It will fit most soft luggage setup on the market, and even some hard cases can bolt onto the plate. Although I'm running a rackless system, but having a sturdy luggage rack will add support. Soft bags like sag toward the rear wheel or the exhaust. I've seen it happen for popular systems like the Renault Walk or other similar design. Adding rack will help preventing that happen and also protect the paint surface from constant back contact. Now, about the price. This full setup is $270 Australian dollar or $170 USD after the discount. Well, it is more expensive than some AliExpress rack, but the build quality and finish are far better. I'll drop the link in the description along with my 15% discount code. Check it out if you need. And feel free to click this link for my previous video for the real-world testing of this luggage rack and luggage setup in action. That's it for this quick review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.